Now it is.
Did you press the button?
Yeah.
Well, it may be that
Yeah, it's recording.
but certainly not feeling like it outside.
Hi. Hey guys, I'm gonna be plugging this up.
And still very warm.
I don't know if that's gonna be good or not.
Or it's 72 right now in Tuscaloosa.
Is it?
The rest of
Oh, we're gonna.
us
Now it is. Yeah, now it is. Now it's perfect.
Well above average for December.
I do this kickflip.
30s this time of
Yeah.
year. So this evening.
I still didn't upload the video where I went down the hill.
Cloudy skies in place.
We need to upload that late. Yeah.
Birmingham Bowl.
Let's do it late. Yeah. Can we record that now? So I'll show you how to do it. So you go in there.
Anything,
Yeah.
it could be
You
some
go to
showers
the
at times around
traffic cone thing,
Yeah,
like
even
where
a
you
couple
watch the
isolated
videos.
showers
Yeah.
around.
You go to subtitle, add the subtitle, and like if I shot it at 9 o'clock at night, it'll show like 12, 27, 21 at like 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
And then I click on that. And then I go to YouTube. Go on select files. So I can select a file that I want to download.
I have not finished my homework.
Select a file to upload it on YouTube. And then select a 9 o'clock file. If I did it 9 o'clock.
We asked repeatedly, but Coach Harsin didn't give much away in that regard.
Yeah, these are our boards. This is the board I was currently on when I got road rash.
We will upload that later. Y'all will see that video
Later on, but this is the board. We've done took the wheels off, greased the bearings and all that.
This is my board.
And
Oh, well, he's upside down. There you go.
but yeah, put it back where it's supposed to be. And then this is my board's a Crown, and here's one of the Walmart brands. And this is like this is what we go to the park in Bell City, Alabama. Hopefully we don't get fucking gang rain, but but like I'm really good at skateboarding. Oh!
The expectations and the opt-out.
Oh, y'all better be careful though.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat for a
You
second.
go down that road,
Yeah. Yeah.
it lifts up like this.
Yeah, I flip back.
I mean, y'all see it later, but like this board lifts up and y'all just eat it. I mean, look, you can see where I've been doing it.
That's what happened to me. Mine lift back, and it like when you're on it and it lifts back, it turns to the right.
I
like it. It goes like that and just scraping down the hill.
Yeah, it turns.
Tomorrow morning, again, kickoff slated for 11 a.m. and the expectation is for it to be a back and forth battle between the Cougars and tomorrow afternoon in Sylvan. Reporting in Birmingham.
Y'all have not seen this setup.
On your side.
Got this setup. You got the TV from the Xbox. You got the PC. You got a mouse. You got the Booga thing. You got that. There's our videos. You got the headset. The Xbox remote. You got the bed. You got whatever his name is.
Currently filming with a Hero 8 GoPro. Hero 8.
You got that. Don't mind why that's
Yeah,
like
we
that.
can't put that over. It's blind.
Oh, you got the hamsters right here. Got that. Oh yeah. Then got that dog. Come on, come on, come on, Frosty. Frosty.
And record the trick. Come here, Frosty. Up. Frosty. Frosty. Up. Frosty. Frosty. I literally just fed you, fam. Up.
Now maybe we need to go in the living room.
Come here, Frosty. Come here. Yeah, he don't do tricks. Come here, Frosty.
There's the hoverboard.
Come here, Frosty. Up.
Oh. See? He gets
Now
up.
you
Looking at this camera.
Down. Sit. Sit. I have time on that. I can get him up on the recliner, down off the recliner.
Look, how to make him sit.
Frosty.
You need treats whenever you do it. Like,
Yeah, Frosty. Come here.
get something, and whenever he does it, be like, oh, good boy. I wouldn't drink that. And he's
No,
drinking it.
it's clear water. It's straight clear.
Give him an egg every time he's good. Nah. We need to go to the grocery store. Actually, no, we don't. We got all that. Oh, we got ice cream.
Only on the food.
Got some dino nuggets up in there, boys.
It stinks.
It got some different eggs. Frosty. Frosty.
Frosty,
down the stairs. Ah! Come on, Frosty, smell the food.
Frosty, up. Oh, good boy, good boy.
Most of us are just going to be dealing with old school problems.
Frosty, look at the camera. Frosty. Frosty.
Frosty, up. Oh, Frosty. Frosty. Up. Up.
Throughout the day, but I think our best chance of rain on Tuesday is
Oh.
actually going to be as we get into the
Right,
overnight hours, early Wednesday morning. So we'll see an initial round of showers.
I'm trying to make it here. Put some in my hand.
You may end up seeing a lull in the rain, and then notice as we go into Wednesday night.
There's a safe that has some uncertain things inside there.
This is when we're going to
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Got your recliner.
I mean, you get a treat.
Wednesday over
Here, put some in my hand. I'm gonna make it like lay down on my hand.
that will give you notifications even if you're sleeping. And you're not sure on radio too. Now, after
I know she's going. Ow! She bites.
Hold your hand
She don't.
flat.
Yeah, she don't lick. She bites.
Hold it flat.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
You were like that and like it out.
Like she don't lick. Like she don't.
Like a horse, whenever you're feeding them, just have your hand flat.
And that's a constable within central Alabama. This
Frosty!
does look a little bit
Yeah, I'm not trying that.
now. We're
Frosty.
That Horrible 8 Pro Max.
as we go into
There's Chase. Yeah, that's Chase. There's a dirt bike that y'all. I don't know. Y'all can't see that. That little white thing. You know, you got that 110. Y'all can't see that either. Fix this where y'all can see it. There you go. Y'all can sign it. Kind of see them. Alright, I'm gonna grab my phone. Hold on.
dropping, the Alabama average is now about $2.16
Ah, my toe. Where's my phone?
lower than
Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Yup, I can hear him out there behind now. There's our house.
Yeah, I think that's due to our supply again.
There's that. The four, that.
It's just a big rut.
Use that big rut right there. Y'all ready to get a noise complaint? Put it in neutral and ah, dang. You got that mud puddle that would send that dirt bike through? That is pitch black over there. Then you got the hill that would jump.
Show 'em this.
Oh! It went all over me. There you got my ribs. Look at all these marks. Got his new shoes on by ruling the Air Forces. Now, Wishie Paul, we got this. Woo! And these GoPro Heroes 8 do not have a light. I'm using my phone.
Shake it, baby. Shake it like a fish.
Ow! I ain't got shoes on, so it hurt. That's where we went camping and there was a fire right there. The tent's kind of right now, but I'm sitting on this rock fire, so like, you can't hit me. That's that dog. Oh, you see here? No, that dog.
What about him?
You? Hey, Frosty, come here.
What's he seeing?
Something that we don't see, and dogs can see way better too. 22. Grab that 22. See if a clown wants to fuck with us. Peg leg. Huh? Probably peg leg or whatever his name is.
Fed?
No, peg leg. Remember? Dude that only had the one leg that had like the thing.
He's been gone a long time.
He's probably dead.
Probably.
Shake it like a pimple.
Shake it, baby.
No, over there is where my skateboards out there commit suicide, just hanging there for like
Yeah, huh?
10 minutes. There's a four-wheeler. Y'all can't see that, but that thing is usually run. It hauls
Let's go.
AF.
Let's stop this video and then I'll see you later, guys. And bye.